I loaned him $8,000. It was a lot of money.
Hello, hello, alphabet train. Alphabet train, alphabet train. Hello, hello, alphabet train. What's inside today? Do you know what's inside the alphabet train? A train, apple train. B train, banana train. C train, cookie train. Choo, choo, choo. D train, donut train. E train, eggplant train. F train, French fry train. Choo, choo, choo. G train, green bean train. H train, hot dog train. I train, ice cream train. Choo, choo, choo. J train, jelly bean train. K train, kiwi train. L train, lemon train. Choo, choo, choo. M train, mango train. N train, noodle train. O train, onion train. Choo, choo, choo. P train, pizza train. There's Jack eating a slice of pizza. Q train, quince train. R train, raspberry train. Choo, choo, choo. S train, sausage train. T train, tomato train. U train, upside down cake train. Choo, choo, choo. Almost to the end of the train. V train, vegetable train. W train, watermelon train. X train, charcuterie train. Choo, choo, choo. Y train, yogurt train. Z train, zucchini train. Goodbye. Goodbye, alphabet train. Wow, that was a lot of letters, and I can't wait to practice tomorrow. But first, I should go to sleep. Good night, friends. Thanks for reading with me.